So today we've only got 2 hours to fish the beach, and it's actually a really flat beach today. Normally it's not this flat, but we've come at low tide. We're going to be fishing in the run out tide and a few hours of the run in tide. We're just going to first catch some worms and get some baits, and then we're actually going to try catch some of those bread and butter species like the whiting and brim using some of those lighter gear. Anyways, I'll run you through what we're going to use today so far to catch those worms. Okay, so we'll use our good old esky again, and I've got a knife with me. We've got some worming pliers, 2 stockings for me and you, and I've got our worming bait in there as well. Initially, we weren't thinking about using the worms as a priority straight away, but we left our other bait at home. So, I mean, worms are such a great bait, and I reckon we could probably still catch some fish, and we just got to be able to catch the worms. I think there's actually a couple of droplets. Let me give that a clean. There you are, should be a lot better. All right, so I've got a stingray here from the previous video. Just in the clip right over here, we actually caught this stingray, and there was, it was actually aborting a little baby, which made me feel kind of a bit bad, but I've seen over a few comments on Facebook and the channel that stingray's good eating. So if we catch one today, don't look at me in a weird way if we actually do keep it. We might keep a stingray. Anyways, so I just went down to the water to defrost our bait. It was quite a bit frozen, our stingrays, and we ended up with these 2 beautiful fillets. We haven't tried eating them personally. I've seen videos which has sort of tempted us to eat them, but for now, they'll just stick as worming baits. So same usual routine as how you rig up your pilchers and everything. Just chuck them in the end of your stocking. That's right at the end. Do the same thing to the next one as well. We've got everything ready. We're just using pliers to get the worms easier. Let's start getting our worms. There's some pretty good sized worms. I'll go for the one at the bottom, and I'll let you grab the one on the other side, Sean.
I'll record you first though.
The lighting may not be the best, but at least we found some worms, we got some bait. I think there's actually more than 2. You see there's
The furthest one, you know the rules.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh. Nice.
There we go. Let me get a little shot. So these are wonderful worms.
Good worm.
Nice and thick. A bit too thick, maybe. Right, Sean, you're next.
Right. Okay, so we'll get this worm. Oh! So we just got a little worm, or actually a decent sized worm. Got my little trusty pliers. So you're just sitting there in the water. He's not as big as Brian, so I've got a few more waves. I think I'm gonna go for it, honestly. No, missing there.
Damn.
Missed that one. Alright, recording that one, but it's definitely a smaller one of the bunch.
Smaller.
Yeah. Alright. Well. Oh, he's a small one. Look at his tail.
Oh my gosh. Small stubby.
Yeah. No, we got enough now.
Okay, so we've got a good haul of worms. It's all in there. We probably got around about 7 or 8 within 40, probably about half an hour, something like that. It's not too bad. Anyways, we're just going to bait up our rods, and there's a gutter that's pretty far out, so we're probably expecting to wade, so we'll have to get pretty wet. But hopefully there's some whiting and brim sitting inside there, especially the sun's dropping down, and we've got the tide change as well, which should be quite okay. Anyways, we'll see you when we're actually fishing. So the sand's quite hard, so I won't be able to really mallet it down. So what I'll do, stick it in as far as I can, and I'm going to suck it. It's just a bit of physics with the air pressure you're pushing out. All right, so we'll have to walk out a little bit. So Sean's doing that at the moment because the gutter's just over there. Are you trying to fall over or something, Sean? Yeah. So the gutter's over there, so we need to actually be able to make that distance. And as it's still low tide, the tide is coming up. We do have to be careful, but as the tide is still very low, we're going to walk out into that sandbar and try to cast it. I mean, I don't think there's much of a sandbar. Maybe we might cast from here. Do you reckon we cast from here? All right. We'll just cast it from here. Oh, that didn't go far. Not far. Go ahead. All right, I'm just going to reel it in. It's been out for probably 35 seconds. And I'm getting a bit of a drift, a bit of sideways drift. So we'll recast into a hole. There is the gutter's right in front of us, and it reaches a slack point where the hole is. So I think that's where I want to cast. Yeah, it's a good cast right into the deep blue water. Oh. Yep, yep, got one. All right, he hasn't fallen off. No, I think it could be either, well, you know, it could be very small whiting or even a mullet. Could be a little mullet. Watch the shore breaker. Man, this is so fun, just using ultralight 4-pound gear, which is definitely a bit suicide off the beach. Yeah, I've got a fish. I was just saying it could be a little mullet or a whiting.
He's not really fighting hard, is he? Where is he at?
It's just in this shore dump over here. So you see,
wait for him.
He'll go slack, so I'll reel him in just to stop the slack. Here he comes. He should be.
Oh, what is he?
He got some pull. He could be a mullet, could be a whiting. I don't know. But it's just so fun using 4 pounds.
I bring him in now.
Super light line. Where is he? What is he? Whiting or mullet?
Oh, it's a big whiting. Yeah, it's a big whiting.
Big whiting.
Yeah.
And the easiest way is just walk him along the beach.
Yeah. Big whiting.
There we go.
Yeah, that's a horse of a whiting.
So it's whiting.
Yeah.
Ah! Gill plate spiked me.
Oh.
They got a little bit of a spike on the gill plate. But generally they don't hurt at all. They're one of the most friendly fish you have around.
I'll get mine out then.
Yeah.
So let me see if I can do the same, eh? That's a little bit stronger. Coming towards me. Yep, that's a nice whiting, guys. Oh!
Oh. What is that? Is that another whiting?
Big whiting! Holy!
Oh man, get it up on the beach, boy. Holy!
Oh, man, that's a huge whiting,
That's a good whiting, Sean.
Holy!
Let me just loosen up this line.
I didn't cast very far. How big do you reckon they go?
I reckon it's a PB.
You reckon? He's got hooked at whatever he's done.
Really get gun the shot for that.
Crap!
Jeez.
That's a stonker whiting, gentlemen.
That's a stonker.
Oh, you want to hold on to that?
Rod for you. Oh, yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh!
Yeah, I'm on.
You on?
Yeah.
All right. Let me just bring this in as soon as possible. We got a double hookup, ladies and gentlemen.
Man.
Oh! Careful, remember, 4 pound.
Oh,
it's a nice whiting.
He's swimming towards me.
Yeah, he was swimming towards me as well.
Oh, he got off.
Oh, no.
That's alright.
Oh, we'll have a look at my one first then. I think I broke the record for today.
Wow.
That's a huge whiting, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh man, it's a good sized whiting. Holy.
Oh!
We better go pet him down. He's gut hooked it, so
Yeah.
his chance of surviving is very low.
Yep.
I brought the stuff a bit closer because I assume we'd hook up the fish.
Alright.
We don't have to measure here, but we'll measure him later, yeah?
Yep.
Swimming towards me, I think. Yeah, there we go. Oh, no, popped off. Oh no, he's on. Yeah, I got another one. Smaller. See him knocking the rod? I just caught him in this little eddy over here.
Yeah, it's a nice little eddy. Oh! It's definitely legal.
I don't know.
Alright.
Keep his head down, I don't want him to spit the hooks. Oh!
Robbery!
Just spat the hooks. Oh, you're already on. You just gotta really wait it out, right? You just have to wait it out, don't you?
Yeah.
Let him really tug it.
I think he's already baited me.
Jeez, did you cast far?
Yeah, pretty far.
Could just be a wave. I don't know. I think I do. It was, I don't know. It's not doing. Oh! I've got pretty loose drag.
Yeah.
That's a good fish.
Yeah?
That feels like a ray though.
Looks like a ray.
Oh.
Lost him?
Oh, I think I may still have him, but that wave didn't help.
No, you still have him?
Definitely got him. Is that a ray though?
It's a ray.
Yeah, it felt like a ray. Oh man. Let me grab my line. Oh, where's he at? Oh, I thought he was at my foot. This is an undesirable.
Man, that's a big hook.
What's your, yeah, the dark.
There's your stingray, guys.
Oh, he went back the right way.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're on. Another fish, sure. You feel like he's going to spit it? Yeah. Did he spit it?
Can't tell, he's swimming with the wave. No, he's still on.
Is he? Oh yeah. Yeah, he's on. Oh, look at the bow waves on that thing. Another legal whiting.
He's really skirmished, so I can't hold him correctly, unfortunately, for you.
Man. Oh, good catch.
But yeah, I'm going to put sand on him just so I get a little bit more extra grip. So I'm going to snap his neck because the hook is gut hooked actually as well.
Yeah, so
you can see it's straight down his mouth there.
That's easily illegal.
So I'm going to get a bit of sand, rub it against him. Oh, he's got spikes. I got spikes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Oh, no, he got off.
Damn. I'm just going to snap his neck now.
All right. So pretty much we made a pretty good session. We took the most of our 2 hours on the beach. We ended up with 4 whiting. If we stayed for a bit longer, I was pretty sure we'd actually be able to catch a bit more fish, but that's not too bad. And the experimental 7-foot 4-pound estuary rod, it was all right, hooked up, but I do think we should probably go a little bit heavier next time. Go with a a longer beach rod. Anyways, we'll probably post up a couple more of these videos just of us catching fish in this circumstance where we actually forget one of our baits, and we'll see you in the next video.